In this video, you will learn how to operate a Yealink reception phone.
To place a call, dial the number or extension, then lift the handset to place the call on handset, or dial the number and press send to place the call on speakerphone. To accept a call, lift the handset when your phone is ringing. You may also press the answer button to answer on speaker. To move from speaker to handset, lift the handset while on a speaker call. To move from handset to speaker, press the speaker button, then you can dock the handset without any fear of dropping the call. To place a caller on hold, press the hold button while on a call. To resume the call, press the resume button. To perform a blind transfer, press the transfer button while on a call. Dial the receiving number and press transfer to complete the transfer. To speak to the receiving party before transferring a call, press transfer, dial the receiving number and wait 3 seconds. The original caller gets automatically placed on hold and line 2 opens up for you to speak with the receiving party before transferring. Once the receiving party is ready, press the transfer button to connect the caller and the receiving party directly. To perform a 3-way call, press the conference button while on a call. Dial the party that needs to be added to the call and press send. Once the third party is ready, press the conference button to join all the users on the same call. To access your voicemail, press the message button on your phone. The default PIN number is 1478. To access your personal call history, press the history button on your phone. You can use the arrow keys to navigate through the categories. If you want to call someone back from your call history, use the arrow buttons to select the name and press send. And to place your phone in Do Not Disturb, press the D&D button.
This is Clive with Black Tie VoIP in South Africa. We will see you in the next video. Have a good one and bye for now.